From the top of a tall building, a stone is just dropped. Below the top of a distance of 1.25 meter, there is a window whose height is 3.75 meter. If acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square, the time taken by the stone to travel the top to the bottom of the window is. Now here in this type of question, let's say this is the top of the building. Suppose that there is a window here. Now the height of this window is 3.75 meter, and the depth from the top, this is the top from here, this is 1.25 meter. Now they are asking time taken in crossing the stone to travel from top to the bottom of the window. So first of all, let us calculate the time of the stone in covering this distance. D is equal to 1.25 plus 3.75. The distance D will be 5 meter. Correct. Let's say total time is capital T. So we can apply S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So from top, if you apply, the distance will be D, and stone is getting dropped, so this U will be 0. So this is half A into capital T square. We know that A is going to be G, so D is equal to half G into T square. So T will be 2D by G under root. So from here this will be under root 2. D is 5. G by is equal to 10. So this is 2. This is 1. So this is 1 second. So it will take 1 second from total top to bottom of the window. That is capital T. Now we can calculate the time reaching up to the top of the window. So for this t time, let's say distance is of course d1. So now again we can apply S is equal to UT plus half AT square. If you apply again, this S will be d1. Again it is dropped, so this is 0 plus half A will be G into this is T1. So from here T1 will be equal to 2D1 by G under root. So if you solve this, 2D1 is 1.25 by 10. So this is equal to under root of 2.5 by 10. So this will be under root of 5 by 2 into 10. This is 2. So from here T2 will be equal to 1 upon 2 seconds. So once you achieve the value of T2, so now clearly we want to achieve the value of time covering the window. Time taken by the stone from top of the window to bottom of the window. So basically time covering in window. So this is delta T, which is T minus small t1. So T is 1, this is 1 upon 2. So this will be simply 1 upon 2 seconds. Right? So option number 2 should be the right choice for us here in this question. Okay.